Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best solar water pumps that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly or a high-end option, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Honche 2-pack solar water fountain. This product offers a dual-pack option, which makes it ideal for buyers who want to enhance multiple bird baths or outdoor spaces. Powered by an upgraded 1.5-watt solar panel, this fountain activates within seconds under direct sunlight, producing a spray height of 50 to 70 centimeters. The 6 interchangeable nozzles allow for customizable water patterns, adding charm to your garden, pond, or pool. It's a great choice for attracting wildlife like hummingbirds and butterflies to your outdoor space. In terms of design, the fountain features a sturdy build and includes a specially designed retainer to keep the pump centered in your bird bath. This reduces water waste and ensures more efficient performance. The compact dimensions and lightweight construction make it easy to handle, but its lack of energy storage means it won't operate on cloudy days or at night, which can be a downside for some users. This product is perfect for homeowners looking to cover multiple areas without breaking the bank. It's affordable, user-friendly, and eco-friendly. However, keep in mind that it requires regular cleaning and direct sunlight to function optimally. Overall, the Honche 2-pack is a solid mid-range option for small outdoor water features. Coming in at number 4, we have the Biling 8W Solar Fountain Pump. This product stands out for its upgraded solar panel made with A+ grade monocrystalline silicon, protected by a glass layer for enhanced durability and efficiency. Unlike many other options, it includes a rechargeable 3600 mAh battery backup, which allows the pump to operate even on cloudy days or after sunset, a feature that significantly increases its versatility. The motor shaft has been upgraded to ceramic, making the pump quieter and more durable, with a life expectancy more than double that of standard models. The Biling pump also comes with a built-in water shortage detection system, which automatically stops the pump if there's insufficient water. This feature helps protect the pump from damage, making it a reliable choice for users who may forget to monitor water levels. DIY enthusiasts will appreciate the included accessories like floating sponges and tubing, which allow for creative customization in both shallow and deep water setups. While the price is higher than basic models, the added features and battery backup make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking continuous operation. This pump is ideal for bird baths, ponds, or small water projects that need consistent performance throughout the day. However, it doesn't operate during completely dark nights, which is something to keep in mind. Overall, the Biling 8W Solar Fountain Pump is a fantastic mid-tier option that combines functionality with advanced features. At number 3, we have the Madamax Solar Bird Bath Fountain Pump with its upgraded 1.4-watt solar panel. This pump is an affordable option that offers solid performance for its price point. It begins working within 3 seconds under direct sunlight, achieving a spray height of 50 to 70 centimeters, making it a great choice for small bird baths, ponds, or garden decor. It includes 6 interchangeable nozzles for various spray patterns, allowing users to customize the water display to fit their aesthetic preferences. The pump is lightweight and easy to install. Just place it in water, and it automatically starts operating. One standout feature is its retainer design, which helps keep the pump centered in your bird bath. This prevents water from splashing outside the basin, reducing the need for frequent refilling. However, the pump does not store energy and cannot operate during cloudy days or nighttime, limiting its usability to sunny conditions. Another consideration is that it requires clean water to function optimally, and regular maintenance is necessary to prevent clogging. The Madamax 1.4W is best suited for budget-conscious buyers who need a simple, effective solution for smaller water features. While it lacks advanced features like battery backup or higher spray heights, its ease of use and reliability in direct sunlight make it a popular choice for casual outdoor setups. It's a great value for money option for those who don't mind its limitations. Taking the number 2 spot is the MadMax 1W Solar Bird Bath Fountain Pump, the ultimate budget-friendly option for eco-conscious buyers. This pump is perfect for those who want a simple and affordable solution to enhance their garden or pond without breaking the bank. It operates within 3 seconds under direct sunlight, producing a spray height of 50 to 70 centimeters. Like its upgraded sibling, this model includes 6 interchangeable nozzles, allowing users to create various fountain patterns to suit their outdoor space. The design is compact and lightweight, ideal for small bird baths or ponds. A retainer helps keep the pump centered, reducing water waste and the need for constant refilling. However, like most budget pumps, it does not include energy storage and won't work during cloudy conditions or nighttime. Additionally, it requires clean water and regular maintenance to ensure smooth operation. While it lacks advanced features, the MadMax 1W Solar Fountain Pump delivers excellent performance for its price. It's a great pick for homeowners looking to dip their toes into solar-powered water features without a significant upfront investment. If you're looking for simplicity and affordability, this is the pump for you. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ecoorthy Solar Fountain Water Pump Kit 25 watts, the premium option that delivers unmatched performance for serious buyers. This kit includes a 25-watt monocrystalline solar panel and a submersible pump with a maximum flow rate of 410 GPH, making it ideal for large fountains, ponds, waterfalls, hydroponics, and aquaponics setups. The solar panel boasts improved photoelectric conversion efficiency and a lifespan of over 15 years, ensuring long-term reliability. The pump itself has a lifespan of over 20,000 hours, making it one of the most durable options on the market. The design is robust and professional grade, featuring 16.4-foot cord for flexible installation. It comes with multiple accessories, including nozzles, stakes, and extension rods, allowing for easy customization. While it doesn't store energy, the pump delivers powerful performance during sunny conditions, making it perfect for daytime operation. The kit is essentially plug-and-play, ensuring a hassle-free setup for users. The Ecoorthy 25-watt solar fountain pump kit is the go-to choice for homeowners and professionals seeking a high-performance solution for large water features. While it's the most expensive option on this list, its durability, efficiency, and versatility justify the price. If you're looking for a premium product that can handle demanding outdoor setups, this is the pump for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you find the right solar water pump for your needs, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let me know in the comments which product you're going for, or if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.